Greedy Boy's Treasure Hunt. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the hills, there was a boy named Jack. Jack was a handsome young lad with striking features and an infectious smile. However, Jack had a problem that was slowly eating away at him. He was very greedy. Ever since he was a young boy, Jack had always been drawn to the shiny things in life. Whether it was a shiny new toy or a handful of glittering coins, Jack couldn't resist the urge to hoard everything he could get his hands on. His parents tried to teach him the value of sharing and giving to those in need, but Jack's greed only grew with age. As Jack grew older, he became increasingly obsessed with material possessions. He would do anything to get his hands on the latest toys, the fanciest clothes, and the biggest stacks of money. He spent all his time dreaming about ways to accumulate more wealth and more possessions. One day, Jack heard about a treasure hidden deep in the nearby forest. Legend had it that the treasure was guarded by a powerful dragon, but Jack was undeterred. He decided that he would be the one to find the treasure and claim it for himself. So Jack set out on his quest, armed with nothing but his greed and a map he had acquired from a wise old man. After days of wandering through the forest, Jack finally stumbled upon the dragon's lair. The dragon was sleeping soundly, so Jack crept in quietly and began to search for the treasure. As he rummaged through the piles of gold and jewels, Jack couldn't believe his luck. He had struck it rich. But just as he was about to fill his pockets and make his escape, the dragon woke up and caught him red-handed. The dragon was angry, and Jack knew that he was in serious trouble. But instead of apologizing and asking for forgiveness, Jack tried to bribe the dragon with some of the treasure. He offered the dragon a handful of jewels, hoping that it would be enough to buy his way out of trouble. But the dragon was not impressed. He could see right through Jack's greed and knew that he was dealing with a selfish and dishonest boy. The dragon decided to teach Jack a lesson and refused to let him leave with any of the treasure. Jack was devastated. All his dreams of wealth and success were dashed in an instant. But as he sat there, staring at the treasure he could never have, he began to realize the error of his ways. He realized that his greed had led him down a dangerous path and that he had lost sight of what was truly important in life. Jack returned home a changed boy. He apologized to his parents for his selfish behavior and vowed to be a better person from that day forward. He learned the value of hard work, honesty, and generosity, and he became known throughout the village as a kind and humble young man. In the end, Jack realized that the greatest treasures in life are not made of gold and jewels but of love, friendship, and kindness. He had learned a valuable lesson, and he knew that he would never forget it.